Hey, this is Tyron here with We Auto Detailing, service in Atlanta and Metro Atlanta area. And today we're back with another video talking about the difference between a car wash business and a mobile detailing business. We're going to go into some details, some experiences, some pros and cons, and the whole challenges or the benefits of each other. So let's get into it. So first, we're going to talk about mobile detailing, and basically what I consider the mobile detailing is basically operating your business from a vehicle or a any type of vehicle, which is like a van, a pickup truck, even your car. You can operate your mobile detailing business out of, and you head it to your customer's house, and you detail the car at their home. You can use their water, or you can use your own water, which includes a mobile water tank. So I think that's the really big difference is you're traveling to the customer and you're giving them their car detailing experience at their place of residence, business, work, or school. You're able to give it to them wherever they're at any time. So another thing that I would consider mobile detailing that's not a car wash is mobile detailing. It's a little bit more detail work. It's like a luxury for a car wash. So when you're dealing with more luxury clients, you're charging a little bit more premium dollar, and you're gonna kind of spend a lot more time because you're at a location where the customers relaxing, enjoying their life while you're detailing their car. So car wash versus mobile detailing. So mobile detailing, you actually detailing the car, you get in between the cracks and crevices. You're getting out more stains in the seats, you're doing more shampoos. You may find yourself doing a lot more waxing. And that's just because you're in a stable location. The customer don't have to worry about leaving and time and stuff. So that makes it where you actually can detail the car, take your time, and get that superior result. So that's what I would say the biggest thing when it comes to mobile detailing versus a car wash. Another thing I would say, uh, those are the two big things right there. So let me go to the car wash side, and then I kind of in the middle, I will kind of do a synopsis of both. So the car wash side, the biggest thing is basically you're stationary in one location and the customers comes to you. That's what I would consider a car wash. Or you can do mobile car washing as well, but we're talking about difference between mobile detailing and a car wash operation. So running a car wash operation is different because you have all your chemicals there, all your tools, everything is in your environment. You have your power, your water, everything's there. And that's a huge advantage because you don't have to keep moving things around. Everything is in place. And you're able to save money when it comes to gas. So not having to pay for gas is another huge thing when it comes to like the difference between car wash and the mobile detailing. So where would you start a car wash? Where would you begin to even create a car wash? So there are different ways to do it. You can actually buy a car wash, which costs hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can rent a car wash, which can cost anywhere from 2,500 to even 5,000 a month, depending on where you at. You can even you can, like, I would say, in a way, solicit a car wash. So what I mean by is you just kind of find somewhere to go, and you can post up at their location every week or every day at a certain time from a certain time, and over time people will start to see you. If you have your displays out, people will start to stop, ask questions. They will ask your car, they will ask you, oh, do you come out here every day? How often are you out here? And if you build a record long enough, people will start to visit your car wash, so to say, more often. So that's another version of a car wash. And then with those three ways of running a car wash, I also discovered another way is you can partner with some companies. Like I seen it at Target. or you get a few parking spaces in the back of the parking lot, and it's like an eco car wash, and you have your stuff there overnight, and you kind of build like a little setup with, you know, the stuff that you need, and it looks very neat. It looks professional. It looks like it's part of the parking lot, and you look like you kind of already have an agreement with these malls, so you can go to malls, convenience stores, shopping centers, and you can like talk to these people and try to get some type of agreement in place where you can like wash cars in their parking lot or whatnot. So that's what I did. I did it when I was right before I started doing mobile, which is like years ago, um, more than 10 years ago. And within my experience with it, it was very different because you have customers that come to get their car cleaned, but they're looking for a great job, but they want it quickly. So because they have to sit there and wait while you do it, it's a whole completely different type of vibe than the mobile detailing. Because mobile detailing, you're taking your time, you're getting every little detail, you're using all the great tools, you know you're doing your best, you're trying to get the best result. Car wash, you're doing exactly what the customer want, and you're doing it quickly as possible, and you're trying to get a great result as well from, like, you know, a standpoint of the car is clean everywhere. So you may not spend as much time on certain stuff. You may not get all this different stains out. You may have to charge more. The customer may want to wait. So it depends on the situation. But what I found with car washing, it's all about speed and getting a somewhat good result. And then if a customer want more, then they pay more. But it's all about volume when it comes to car washing, because you want to get as many cars done as quickly as possible, and you know, so the customers can get on with their day. So that's one of the another biggest difference between the car wash and the mobile detailing. And I had a great experience with both. I think both are great. But nowadays they have these car wash machines that are operating all over the country now, and I believe those are the future of mobile detailing and car washing. And if you're smart enough, you can even buy one of the self-serve car washing and turn it into like a car wash, hand car wash, mobile detailing type of thing. That's my goal, and that's what I would like to do one day in my life. It's a pipe dream, long-term dream, but I believe it can happen if I just continue to work hard. Um, but yeah, that's what I would say is the difference between a car wash and a mobile detailing. You all let me know what you think. Let me know if I missed anything. Make sure I hit the like and subscribe button if y'all like this video. Thank you all for watching, and catch y'all on the next one.